HeyGen Interactive Avatar Video Tutorial. Hey there, are you looking for a powerful tool to create AI-generated videos effortlessly? Meet HeyGen AI, the ultimate platform for creating professional-looking videos in just minutes. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or business owner, HeyGen is here to revolutionize your video creation process. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about HeyGen AI, how to create stunning videos, customize them, and maximize their potential for your needs. Let's jump right in. Now, before we head over to our tutorial, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, from here, I'll go ahead and tell you what is HeyGen AI. Now, HeyGen is an advanced AI-powered video creation platform. It allows you to create videos with realistic AI-generated avatars, customized script, voiceover, and animations. Use template to make the process fast and efficient. Whether you're creating explainer videos, training content, or social media ads, HeyGen makes it simple and professional. Now basically, you want to head over to their official website, which is heygen.com, HeyGen.com. From here, you will be able to create your own account by clicking on the sign up for free button. So just go ahead and click on this button right here. You will then be prompted to this page where you can sign up for your Google account, Apple account, or your own email. So I'll just go ahead and click on my Google right here to make my own account. Right after creating your account, you will then be prompted to your own dashboard. From here, you want to go ahead and click on the I agree button, click on continue, and now we can go ahead and create our own videos. From here, you have something like home, project, templates, avatar, your own AI voices that you can go ahead and customize or download. You have your brands, you have your own uploads tab, and more. Now, to get started, you want to navigate through the create video section right here, and it will ask you if you want to create an avatar video. Create videos using lifelike avatars that read your script with a natural voice. Or if you want a video translation, you can translate video with lip sync while retaining the speaker's original voice. Now, let's go ahead and click on the avatar video right here, because this is one of their most advanced feature on HeyGen. Right after that, we can now go ahead and start selecting our resolution. You have your portrait and you have your landscape. Let's go ahead and select landscape right here. And right after, we are now inside the video editor page. In here, you can basically go ahead and create your own avatar, or if you scroll down, you can go ahead and select one if you don't want to create your own. Now, to explore the features of this website, let's navigate through the avatar creation tool, and from here you simply want to click on get started. In here we have our instruction. You can go ahead and choose an avatar style. You have your still, or you have the motion avatar. Let's just go ahead and select still avatar right here. Right after that, you can go ahead and choose between these options if you prefer a video instruction or you prefer a text instruction. To make things easier, I'll click on the text instruction. In here, you have your instructions for the recommended ones, and you have things to avoid. You have to submit 2 to 5 minutes of footage. It is required. Use a high resolution camera. Record in a well-lit, quiet environment. Look directly into camera. Pause between each sentence with your mouth closed, and use generic gestures and keep hands below your chest. Now, you basically want to avoid stitched out or cut footage, talking without pauses, changing positions while recording, shadow on or overexposure on your face, diverting your gaze or looking around, hand gesture above the chest, and lastly, use of pointing gesture. From there, you can go ahead and navigate through the next step. And right after, you can basically go ahead and upload your own video, or you can go ahead and record with a webcam. From there, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on I agree with the consent, and you will be able to create your own avatar. And so in my case, to make things everything easier, I'll just go ahead and select one of the avatars right here. Now let's go ahead and select this generic looking avatar. From here, you can then go ahead and select the position. You have this one, or any position you want to. But you can always go ahead and put multiple positions if you want to go ahead and make your video or generated video like that one. So in our case, let's go ahead and try out this one and also this one. And to basically go ahead and add a scene or add another avatar, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the plus icon on the video editor right here. And right after, you can now go ahead and select your other avatar. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select this post right here. Now, moving forward, all we have to do to go ahead and make this avatar interactive is to navigate through the script button right here. Now inside, we have this generic script. Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. And so, from here, we can now go ahead and select the voice of our specific avatar. In here, we already have our own avatar voice that matches the generated avatar right here perfectly. You can also go ahead and choose the accent if you want to. You have the original accent, something like Australia, Canada, Hong Kong, India, and more. Now, you can also go ahead and choose the voices right here if you want to, or you can basically go ahead and upload your own voice if you want to go ahead and use that. Now, to make everything here lifelike, I'll just go ahead and choose the voice right here that perfectly matches with this specific AI. Now, adding additional scripts, you can just go ahead and do that by clicking on the plus icon below the specific scene or avatar. Now, I'll just go ahead and click on the add button, and from here, this menu will show up where we can insert our new script. Basically, in my case, I'll just go ahead and paste this script right here. You can go ahead and listen to this voice if you click on this button right here. But to go ahead and view or explore the potential of HeyGen, let's go ahead and select another voice. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on look right here. And right after that, we can now go ahead and customize our video right here. So to do that, you want to navigate through the element section or the text section. If you want to add your own text, you can just go ahead and navigate through the text right here. Now let's just go ahead and say that we want to add this text right here as your trademark. You can go ahead and drag and drop this specific text. And moving forward, let's now navigate through the element section. From here, you have something like frames where you can go ahead and insert frames and drag images inside this specific frame right here. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and do that, but instead, as a business perspective, let's go ahead and put some of the social media stickers right here. And so let's just go ahead and say that I want to promote my TikTok, my WhatsApp, my Instagram, and my YouTube channel. And so that's all I have to do is to basically drag and drop all of these logos right here. And right after that, let's now go ahead and import our text once more. Now from here, we have WhatsApp. And so now that we have our brands right here, let's navigate through the assets where we can go ahead and upload our own brand kits, our assets, and more. Now, after customizing your own interactive avatar right here, all you have to do is to go ahead and basically click on submit. Right after clicking on submit, we can customize our properties. You have your file name, the location of this specific video, the resolution for this video, the FPS or frames per second. You can go ahead and choose 30 to 60 frames per second. And lastly, you have your format. You can only go ahead and remove the watermark of HeyGen if you paid for their premium plans. Now, let's click on submit and let's see how it turns out.
Meet HeyGen AI, the ultimate platform for creating professional-looking videos in just minutes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, HeyGen is here to revolutionize your video creation process.
In this tutorial, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about HeyGen AI, how to create stunning videos, customize them, and maximize the potential for your needs.
Now, as you may have noticed, the voice right here have changed significantly. because we have chosen a random voice right here that doesn't fit the AI avatar. So just go ahead and keep that in mind when creating your own AI interactive video. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.